Perched on the north rim at Bright Angel Point, Grand Canyon Lodge opened in 1928. Designed by Gilbert Stanley Underwood using local Kaibab limestone and ponderosa pine, it was built to blend seamlessly with the canyon's grandeur. The lodge quickly became a welcoming retreat, where staff even began traditions like singing guests off as buses departed. But disaster struck in 1932 when a fire destroyed most of the main building and 2 cabins. By 1937, the lodge was lovingly rebuilt using original stonework, with modifications to better withstand heavy winter snow. Guests stayed in 91 standard cabins and 23 deluxe cabins, each built with rustic charm and positioned to enjoy canyon views. In 1982, the lodge was listed on the National Register of Historic Places and became a National Historic Landmark in 1987. Grand Canyon Lodge, rebuilt in 1936-37 after a fire, boasts sturdy limestone walls, log beams, and steel-reinforced ceilings. Its sunroom offered guests their first breathtaking canyon view through large windows. Guests stayed in 23 deluxe half-log cabins with stone chimneys on the northeast rise and 91 true log standard cabins to the southwest, connected by paths through ponderosa pine stands. The lodge received National Historic Landmark status on May 28, 1987, honoring its architecture and legacy. Set into Bright Angel Point, the lodge's U-shaped limestone and log structure, with steep gabled roofs, terraces, and an observation deck, hosted cabins and amenities. The highway ended here, making it the first landmark arriving visitors encountered. For almost a century, this rustic complex of limestone, logs, and forest defined the North Rim experience. Its loss erases not just buildings, but living history. The U-shaped limestone and log lodge sits anchored at Bright Angel Point. Southwest slope holds 91 standard log cabins descending toward the canyon. For nearly a century, this Grand Canyon sentinel stood, stone and timber melding with the canyon's edge, a place where nature and human craft met in harmony. Now it exists only in memory, its walls and beams reduced to ash. A chapter of living history is gone, felt deeply in the silent canyon winds.